Good morning, children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EV.S class. Hope children you all are fit and fine and studying for your unit test. Before I start with the revision class, I want to say that lesson 6, the games we play, is the syllabus for your unit test. Only one lesson, that is lesson 6, games we play. So before we start with the revision, let us see what are the things I am going to do in today's class. First of all, we are going to discuss the textbook discussion. Second, we are going to start with the workbook discussion. So let us start with the textbook discussion. Okay children, now what are the things we have learned or what are the learning outcome of this lesson I have written here, and they are as follows. We have learned about the meaning of games, and we have learned that there are two types of games, that is indoor game and outdoor game. Third, we have learned about the board games. Then fourth, we have learned about the team games, the meaning of team games, and fifth, we have learned the importance of playing games. Now let us start the class with the meaning of games. What do you mean by games? A game is a recreational activity involving one or more players. That means one can play, you can play alone also, or you can play in groups also. Okay, it makes you feel better. Recreational, it gives you relaxation of your mind and body. You can even write an activity that one engages in for amusement or fun, where you can feel happy, where you have fun with your friends. Okay, that is called the meaning of games. Then we have learned about the two types of game, that is indoor game and outdoor game. Indoor games are games that are played inside the house, inside the four walls, like examples: ludo, carom, chess, monopoly. Okay, these are the examples of indoor games. And even we have learned about the outdoor games. Outdoor games are that are played in an open space, open ground or playground. Okay, and examples are hockey, cricket, football, kabaddi, and so on. And even we have learned few games that are being played by our grandparents, that are the logri and the gilli danda. Okay, now moving to the next, we have also learned the code game. What is a code game, children? You should know what is a code game. Means an area drawn out on the ground. There you will be seeing the markings are there. Okay, drawings are there. Lines are being drawn on the ground, and the player have to play within that area only. Okay, and the examples are tennis, basketball, volleyball, and badminton, and so on. Then we have learned about the team games. Team games are games that are played with teams. Okay, there are a group of players who make team and they play or they compete with other teams. And the examples are cricket, hockey, football, and kabaddi. These are the examples of the team games. Now moving to the last part, that is the importance of playing game. Why should one play game? Because the main thing is that it keeps us fit, healthy, strong. It keeps us active, strong, and healthy. We play games to keep ourselves fit. You remain healthy, active, and strong. And not only this keeping you strong and healthy, but you learn few other important things also. That is, you learn to make new friends. Then you learn to work hard. It teaches us to work hard. Then even it helps us to think better. Your thinking ability develops. You can think. Then the team game help us to help one another. The main thing is that in a team game, the players play together for a team. They do not play as solo or single. They play for the whole team. It teaches us to help each other and play, and so that we can win the game. Then even we have learned about the few games that are played by an ancient rich people. They are golf, polo, billiard, horse racing are the examples of the games played by the rich people in the ancient time. Okay. in the early days. Then come next, we are going to learn, or we are going to discuss the workbook. There are few questions in the workbook we are going to discuss, and after that again we are going to discuss few extra questions. So please children, get ready with your work. Okay children, please get ready with your workbook. So let us start with page number 24 and games we play here. Multiple choice question. Which of the following picture shows the game of hide and seek? You can see different pictures here and the correct answer is number D. Which of the following is an indoor game? Chess, football, cricket, hockey. The correct answer is chess. That is number A. Then come fill in the blanks. The games we play inside the house are called indoor games. Question number 4. Outdoor games are played outside the house. Then question number 5. Name any one game your grandparents may have played. That is gilli danda or logri. Then coming back to the next page, that is page number 25. Give an example of outdoor game. Anything whichever you find easy: cricket, hockey, kabaddi, football. Okay. Then coming to question number 7, complete the names of the games given below. Here they have given the first one, that is number A, is hopscotch. Number A is hopscotch. Then number B is blindfold. HOPSCOTCH, hopscotch, and number B is blindfold. BLINDFOLD, blindfold. Now moving to the next, that is number, match the column. Number 8 picture, it matches with number 8, that is hockey. Number C. Number 9, it is kabaddi, that is number D. Number 10 is cricket, number B. And number 11 is tennis, number A. Then moving to the next page, that is page number 26. Identify the games in the following picture as a group game or a played by a single person. So there are two pictures, picture A and picture B. Picture A, a game played by a single person. You have seen the girl playing skipping rope. Then number B, you have seen 4 children are playing board game. So the number B is group game. Now write the letters in correct order to get the places where outdoor games are played. So they have jumbled the words, so you have to write the correct word. Number A is court, number B is ground. Number 14. Which of the following games needs the use of only eyes and hands? The options they have given: cricket, hockey, carom, tennis. The correct answer is carom. That is number C. Then number 15. Rohan always fights while playing a game. What should we tell him to do to avoid such fighting? They have given 4 options. The correct option is number D. We should tell him to follow the rules while playing. Then number 16, why should we play games? Playing games makes us active, strong and healthy, so we should play games. Now question number 17, how do team games help us? Team games help us to work in group and help one another. These are the things of workbook question answer we have discussed, and now let us discuss few extra questions from it. Okay children, now let us start with few extra questions I have written down, and I am going to discuss the answer also with it. So number 1 is, name any 2 indoor games. You can write any 2 indoor games, that is carom, chess, ludo, monopoly. Okay, then comes name any 2 outdoor games, that is football, hockey, cricket, kabaddi. Then name any 2 court game that you have seen. I have shown also in the live class that court games. So you can write basketball, badminton, tennis. Okay. Then next come name 2 team games. 2 team games which are played in groups: hockey, cricket, football, then basketball. Next come to write any 2 benefits of playing game. What are the 2 benefits of playing game? You can write number 1, you can write as it makes us, or it keeps us fit and healthy, and number 2, it help us to think Then it teaches us to work hard. Okay, these are the things we have discussed in our classes, and these are the extra question we have discussed. Children, before I wind up my class, I would wish each and every one all the best for your exam. Study nicely, work hard, and try to get good marks. And before I wind up, children, there are few instructions. Please write neatly as you have done in PT1 exam. You have written your name, class, roll number, section, then you have scanned, then you have to make into PDF, and you have to send through Google Classroom only. Please avoid sending in the WhatsApp. Try to send in the Google Classroom, and the question paper will be uploaded in the Google Classroom also and in the WhatsApp group also. Okay children, now I would like to wind up my class here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.